Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can solve these fractions. So if you are ready, then we can start solution of this fraction. So how can we solve this? First of all, I can write here solution. Okay, now 6 divided by 4 is I can write here 6 divided by 4. Okay, now these division sign I can write here, it is okay. Now 4 divided by 6 I can write it is 4 divided by 6. Okay, I hope you all understand from here. Okay, now I start next step. So I can write it as 6 divided by 4 is 6 divided by 4. Okay, and division sign is I can write here as 4 divided by 6. I can write it as 4 divided by 6. Okay, now in next step we can solve when division can change to multiplication. We can change numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So here I can write it as 6 divided by 4. Division sign we can change to multiplication. When we can change division to multiplication, we can change numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So I can write here 6 divided by 4. I hope you all understand from here. Okay, now in next step, 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Okay, now I can solve it. Both are divided by 2, so 2 18s are 36, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 9 is 2 4, sorry, 2 4 are 8 and 2 9 is 18. So the value of this fraction finally is 9 divided by 4. If you multiply divide 9 divided by 4, which value is, I can write here 2.25. If you multiply these, then the value of this fraction is that. I hope you all are understand my this question. If any issue anywhere, please comment, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks a lot.